POWAMOTO. He's a legend. He's a dream. He's the man.
There once was a young rider who rode out into the Everglades seeking enlightenment. Upon his return, the universe spoke to him, inspiring him and energizing him, naming him Mr. Sky Champion, and his bike, Shiva Rose, and his bike, Vimana. Follow the Sky Champion on his journey as he gives back to the community and shares his inspiration with everyone on the POWAMOTO channel. Let the Sky Champion share his energy and inspiration with you.
Yeah, you already know. Yeah, you already know. POWAMOTO. POWAMOTO, 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 POWAMOTO. We ride it. Hey, Ninja Brother, I got my ZX10R. I just did my tank. Yours is looking fire. Come watch me on POWAMOTO, and you and I are going to ride together. Hey, man. Hey, that's pretty. That's pretty. I like it. We riding. Come ride with us, man. We riding. Yeah, I'm on YouTube. My name is Sky Champ, and I need you to subscribe right now. If you like sport bikes and you like to ride, I need your subscribe immediately. 9 of us, 2 BMWs, an ZX10R, my bike, which is smacking everybody down.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, so come ride.
Back with the team. Back with the gang. They bringing multiple S1000s. What? I asked for the Spider in the last video and he brought it. He said, if you want the Spider, I'll bring it. Okay, all right, that's the right way. Stop playing. I said stop playing, you brought them both. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, man.
Check out the red.
What? What? We did an upgrade with the red. Oh, man, that's so cool. That is cool. That's what you wanted to do. And you did the stripe on the front. Let me see. Ta-da! I like it. Yeah, very cool.
And the ninjas are out. And the ninjas are out. And the thing is sick. And it's sparkling, Mom. And it sparkles. And they just blow it up. And just blow it up. Hey. And we got 2 S1000s. And we got the M. We got the M like POWAMOTO. We got this one. We got that one. We got this one. We got that one. We got this one. This one's got the new stripe with the red lettering, Mom. The new stripe right here. This one looks cool too. Yes. This one's got the lightweight rims. This one's got the red, blue, white paint. This one's got the heated grips. Say ha. This one's got carbon, lighter, faster. The ZX10 got his ass. Hey, where's he at? Hey, but the ZX10 got his ass. But the ZX10 got his ass. Kawasaki all day, the ZX10 got his ass. That's a good bike though, it's a great bike. And the R1 is out. How's it riding? You missing yours already? Oh man, so what do we have to do left to fix your bike? Okay, so we got 3 Gixxers coming. What year's yours? If we take a 600, a 600, and a 750 and combine the parts, Rob, you're in the automotive business. If we combine the parts, can we somehow?
Hey, add that all up, bro. That's more than 1,000.
All right, we gonna do it. We got they're coming at 9:30. The bikes are looking sick. Kapoo, kapow, capiche, acra, kapow, capiche, POWAMOTO. Subscribe today. two S1000s. And then there were two S1000s. One was an M and one was an IM. And they were Sigma. Both rocking Dionysus. Hey, we rocking the gear. And we splitting hard on POWAMOTO. My dog, he's got bikes all day. How are you, sweetheart? Can I see your sign? What does your sign say? I'm here to help you. Have a good day, sweetheart. POWAMOTO, see ya! See ya! POWAMOTO, subscribe.